lack of hip mobility, tapos weak core, weak glutes. Yan ang para sa akin pinaka-major cause of lower back pain. Diba, Coach Louie? Ngayon, paano natin mapaprevent? Diyan ako nakafocus sa programming when it comes to lower back pain, management of lower back pain, strengthening of your core, and activation of your glutes. Before doing this, kailangan ma-open mo na yung hip flexors, stretch, yung frog stretch, yung frog stretch, yung ganyan. That's so useful, kasi the more you move from your hips, the less you move from your lower back, from your lumbar spine.
Yung frog stretch or yung pinapakita ni Coach RG, kapag meron kayong back pain, sigurado mararamdaman nyo kaagad yung adductor nyo dyan, tight. So kapag nag-stretch ka, that's normal. That's normal na bakit masakit. So tight yan. So siyempre, sisimulan nyo sa comfortable kayo bago kayo mag.
Kasi nga, most cases ng back pain is caused by lack of movement here on your hips. Kaya nga, kailangan i-open nyo muna yung hips.